Welcome, thanks for watching, and in this video I will be showing you guys how I pluck my lace frontals. You will first need a spray bottle of water, some tweezers like so, a small tooth comb, a wig stand, a mannequin blockhead, frontal of your choice that's already been bleached. I ordered mine from Kanja.com, the link will be below, and some T-pins as well. You're going to use the T-pins to secure the wig, like so. You're going to secure the front, and then you're also going to secure the rear of the wig. Once you have 100% secured the wig, we are going to start. Now, how I start is I make sure that the frontal is damp or wet. I like working on wet hair because I feel like it's easier to pluck. That's my personal opinion. Some people like dry hair. I like to pluck while it's wet. Once again, this frontal is purchased. Well, you can purchase the frontal, should I say, from www.kanja.com is my website, so I guarantee you guys will love the quality of this hair. Shoot, I do. Now, you see how I'm combing the hairs back, and notice that there's no hair on the comb. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and part the baby hairs out. Basically, you're going to part the edges of the frontal. And we're not going to pluck that right away, we're going to pluck that afterwards. We're just going to pluck behind the hairline. And this gives it more of a flat look, it gives it more of a realistic look. And you're going to keep plucking going backwards. So I'm pulling the hair towards me. And I'm using the flat part of the tweezers. And noticing I'm not plucking in the same spots. Every time I pluck, I move the tweezers. Never pluck in the same spot because you're gonna experience lots of thinning and balding, and you might even tear the lace. And that you do not want to happen. So keep plucking, and now you see, when I run the comb through it, you see how much hair has come off? That's how you know it's working. So just keep on plucking. You may not visibly see the difference right away, but as you keep plucking and keep plucking, you're gonna notice that, the hair is getting thinner. Now, do not only pluck in that same area right behind the hairline. Pluck all in that area behind the hairline. I just separated the hairline out the way because I do not want to touch that area just of yet. But I don't just pluck in this area. I pluck behind, as you can see right there, and right there. Now I'm going to go ahead. Now you notice how it's a little bit more thinner, looks more realistic. And now we're gonna go ahead and thin out the hairline itself because no one has, bulky straight hair. So this what makes it look even more realistic. But I know some people, they don't even do this. They don't even pluck the hairline right here. But I do. Very, very gently. I don't want it to look bald, but I just want it to look a little bit thinner than what it was. Because no one hairline, look at your hairline, no one hairline is full like that. You're supposed to mimic actual real hairline. See the difference? This one and this one. If you still feel like there's some bulkiness in certain areas, you can go ahead and part the hairline forward and go in that area and thin it out some more. It's all to your liking. Also, when I put the frontal on my client's hair, I do some more plucking as well to also mimic their hairline. It was kind of bulky right there, so I'm going in and removing the bulk. And notice how it's so smooth and it looks so aesthetically pleasing. compared to that bulky, thick hairline. And if you did it correctly, it should look like this, you guys. Nice, clean, and, you know, just beautiful. I don't know how to put it in words. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.